Breaking news, Governor Alex Otti, the governor of Abia State, just signed a senior citizens bill into law. The bill entitles any citizen of Abia State who's 60 years and above free monthly salary, free medical bills, and other benefits till death. One of the people that have been neglected in our country are old people. You don't have security, financial security when you are old in Nigeria. And what the Abia State governor have done, signing this bill into law, is one that have never happened in the whole history of Nigeria. You know what I'm asking myself? I'm asking myself that I hope that all the governors in Nigeria, in the whole states in Nigeria, are seeing what Otti is doing, and they are feeling ashamed of themselves. Wallahi tallahi, I never know that a governor can do something, can do things like that until Alex Otti came. I never know that a governor can do things until Otti came. Do you know what this means? This is a breath of fresh air for all the old people in Abia State. From 60 years and above, you don't even have to worry. You will receive salary from the government. You can walk into the hospital and they give you health care. That is how it is done abroad. In Spain, that I went to, old people can go to the hospital and go and collect treatment for free. That is the reason why they collect tax. The tax they collect is to take care of other people, develop their country, build infrastructure, schools, and the rest of them. Maintain. Do you know what Alex Otti just did? Every old person in Europe collects salary from the government. Every month they receive money. They don't have to. All they do is the ones that have business can go and continue their business. The ones that have business can go on vacation. They will receive a lot in the beach. They are going to enjoy it. They travel around the world. I saw them in Turkey here that I am. Look at old man and old woman, old man and his wife. They are busy touring. I even asked one. He tell me that he said he has worked all his life. It's now time for him to relax. The government is taking care of him. As he's traveling now, the government is paying him. Wallahi. But where we come from, as an old person, you don't have financial security. You are gone. If your child does not send you money, you are finished. So what is they gave birth to you, government didn't give you, didn't benefit anything from government. You went to school, you didn't benefit anything from government. You went to secondary school, no benefit. You went to university with your own money, you didn't benefit from government. You come out, you look for a job, you can't find job. You start a business on your own, you didn't benefit from government. The government will put tax on you, will bill you, you will pay and do this and do that. You will now have your family, train them with your own money. Government will not support you. Train your children with your own money, no support from government. And the next thing, you will not get old. You will not depend on your children that you train. So why are you now a citizen of the country? What is the benefit that I come from this particular country or this state? What is the benefit that I come from this state? That is the question. No benefit. No benefit at all. You just came from the state, no benefits. Totally wrong. Wallahi tallahi, is wrong. It is totally wrong. What Otti have done, a lot of governors, all the governors of all the states are supposed to even copy that man. That is why I am angry with those other people that are coming to say Otti is not doing anything. They want to remove him in 2027. Somebody that is doing a lot of things for a state that you even come from. You have relatives that are benefiting from what Otti have done in Abia State. And you are coming out with your full chest to say, no, they will have to remove Otti. Why? On what ground? The work that the man is doing is visible everywhere. The people are saying it. It is clear everywhere, you can see it. So on what ground do you want to remove Otti from power? On what ground are you campaigning? Go. That is why I said it in my other video. If you want to contest against Alex Otti in another party, just come and do your campaign. Don't even mention his name to say that he didn't do anything in Abia State. What he has done in Abia State, wallahi, it is very clear for everybody to see. It is visible for everybody to see. Alex Otti, this thing you have done for all the senior citizens of the Abia State, if there is a way I can even take my pastor to go and register him in Abia State so that you can pay him Alex Otti, I will be happy. Wallahi, I will be happy. Because in my own state, there is no provision like this for old people. And these are senior citizens of the state. They have to be taken care of. You give birth to your child in Europe, there is a place whereby in Europe, in Poland, there is a place whereby the government is even begging you to give birth to children. If you give birth to 5 children, you don't have to work. Government is paying you 1,400 euros per child. So if you have 4 child, how much are you earning in the month? And the government will pay the father and the mother and the 4 children. Why are you working? They don't even work. The government is begging them to give birth to kids because they want to even increase their population. This is small child benefiting from the government. You have lived your life to old age, and still yet you complain from the day you were born up until the day you will die. There is nothing that come to you and say that it's government that is giving you. Wallahi, since I know myself, even mosquito nets, the government have never given me in my life. I have never benefited 20,000 from the government. All this one that they say, what are all this Nisal microfinance, all this, the one that Good Luck did, that money came, I have never received 1 kobo from the government. It's not supposed to be so. It's not supposed to be so. So that is how you will live your life till you get old. You have not collected anything. All the governors of other states, you need to go and receive lecture from Alex Otti and learn what governance and how they can do governance. You need to go and learn from Otti. The only advice I'm going to give Abia people is that, first of all, I have an advice for Alex Otti, and I have advice for the people of Abia. The Abia people, first of all, let me talk to you. Take your chair, sit down, I want to talk to you. You better make sure you protect Alex Otti. If you lose Alex Otti, you will suffer. The man mean well for your state. If you lose that man, wallahi tallahi, you will suffer in that state. Secondly, Alex Otti, I want to advise you. You know, there's something that they say that the street, people forget. People, not the street don't forget, but people forget. It's not that you have done all these things for the Abia people, and you go and sit down and say they will vote for me, Abia people love me. No. You have to come out, you have to campaign, you have to plan, you have to bring people on board. Just like what APC is doing, bringing all the whole influential people on board. You have to bring people on board. You have to strategize. You have to speak it. Say what you have done. List it for them. I did this flyover here. I did pipe road. I do it. Say it. Let people hear in their ear. Don't go and relax. Say what you have done. People forget. Because if you relax, remember that the people that are behind, that I want to collect the power from you, they don't sleep day and night. They are having meetings upon meetings on how to unseat you. You have to sit up. So congratulations to all the senior citizens of Abia State, thanks to Governor Alex Otti, you are going to be paid monthly salary, and also you are going to get free medical attention till you die. That is it, from 60 years and above. Yes, this is just a breaking news I brought. I know as I say this, somebody will say, is it called your business? Are you from Abia? Why are you putting mouth? I love Governor Alex Otti with all my heart. This one, you can call me Mumu, I don't care. I love Otti with my heart. The very day I will see Otti, I will take him, hold his hand, and go and buy him cow tail pepper soup for him to eat, because he has done well for the people of Abia State. I'm the spice creator. That's why they call me Malan Shaibu. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business. But please, everything I have said in this video, from the beginning to the end, is allegedly. Allegedly, pa.